go see if Santa came.
Santa? Where's Santa Claus? Santa what? Train. Yeah, go catch train. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Hey, it's chucking train.
Yeah.
We're both not touch it.
What else did he
It's okay
bring?
to touch it.
Don't touch it.
It's okay to touch it.
Don't touch it.
That's all right. Where's your stocking, V?
Victoria, find your name.
Right here.
Yep. I guess that stuff on that end must be yours.
Stop. My hippie. What's messing my stuff?
Okay, I think this stuff in the middle belongs to both of you. This is to both of you. This is for Elizabeth over here, and that's for Victoria over there.
Look at my headband.
Did you get a new headband,
See
honey?
my Santa Claus.
See what all you got over there, Liz. Go through your, see what's in your stocking. What's over there?
That's our toys.
What is that, Victoria?
Messing my stuff?
What is that, Victoria?
What's messing my stuff?
That belongs to both of you, sweetie.
Yes. You want to open it?
Not well. Open it a little bit. Let's see what all we have.
Oh, the harvest! Look at this one. Look at this book.
Santa brought finger paints.
Washable.
Finger paint. These ones are mine.
They're for both of you, Liz.
Those are for both of you. Should we look at what's in your stocking?
Yeah, see what's in your stocking, Victoria.
Should we look at what's in here?
Bear?
Is that a Care Bear?
Yeah, that's my Care Bear. There are more Care Bears out there.
Yeah, there's more Care Bears over there, huh? Should we see what else is in our stockings?
It's Christmas Day now.
Yes. Sure, you got something. There we go.
It's Christmas Day now.
Yeah.
And the days are gone.
Should we see what's in our stockings? You got a stocking too, Victoria. Woo! That's you, Liz.
Look at the
Is that the sparkly pink shirt you wanted?
So the pirates over
Well, Elf must have decided you were okay after all.
Yeah.
Liz,
Santa Claus.
Not sure I agree with his reasoning,
Cheers.
but if he says so.
Okay, more stuff in my stocking.
this one might be harder to get out.
No, that's my stocking.
Yeah, you want to look at what's in your stocking?
Yeah. Look at
You know what?
Barbie.
I think that's a bathroom Barbie. I think you can play with that in the bathtub.
Mermaid in the bathtub.
What put it in my stocking?
Should we see what else is in your stocking?
Yeah, it's in my stocking. There's something else in my stocking.
Is that a puzzle?
What is that?
Princess puzzle.
Mm.
And a Jake puzzle.
A shake puzzle! Yay! Got it. So you would be good here.
But careful, Victoria. Don't fall off
I don't know if
backwards.
there is anything else in there.
No.
Oh, that might be it in there this time.
Yep.
Santa
We got
Claus
Chuggington, huh?
I done Santa put Chuggington. Yay. Let me put this Chuggington. Hey, I want to see something in your stocking.
You want to see what Mommy and Daddy got?
Yeah.
Just a minute. We gotta wait. We gotta wait for Daddy.